Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Alcohol. Doctors should not examine or treat under the influence of alcohol. Addiction. Doctor himself should never get addicted to any drug, nor he should supply the drugs of addiction. 5. Abortion. Doctor should never involve in criminal abortion. 6. Association. Association with unqualified person in a professional matters is not correct. That is, to hire an agent to procure a patient is association, which is an infamous conduct. Dichotomy or fees splitting, giving or receiving commission from fellow doctors or from drug companies or from drug stores or chemist shop or from diagnostic agents is infamous conduct.
thank you and thank you for watching.